Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
We can grant. We can view history, edit, insert, correct and delete permission. Okay. So we can grant a new current history. So you can see here when I go back into the system. You can see, here we can have a edit option, delete option, insert new record. Okay, all these options are coming. Okay. So why these options are coming? Because we are given this access to in the effective data. Got it. So we can grant the view, history, edit, insert, correct and delete permissions. So when you give this permission, those buttons will be applicable there. Okay. Those buttons will be showing that. Okay. Got it. Any questions? No, I'm okay. Now you have an employee. Employee view means what it enables, what it says. It enables the view. It enables the view. Access to the people profile, employee profile. Sections in the employee file. So it only give you the visibility of the section. So you did. These are the sections, right? These are the sections. So what employee can see we up to which section, manager can see up to which section, that is controlled from where it is controlled from the employee view. Suppose if employees should only view up to this, one compensation, other payroll and everything should be accessible from for the manager, not for the employee. Okay. So in that case, how the permissions can be controlled for the view sections from here? Employee view. Okay. Got it. Yes.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.